Hi, hello, good morning. So in this video, let us discussing about the topic is cargo handling. So how the logistics peoples they can handling the shipment process and how they taking the preventions to safeguarding the goods while they making shipments in the mode of air cargo or a shipment or a roadway. So what are the types of they will uh, taking to prevention of the safety measurements, prevention and safety measurements for the goods. So let us get into the video. First slide will be for your reference, which is the meaning of cargo handling. Cargo handling is that nothing else is going to ensure the safe and efficient management of cargo at various stages from loading and unloading and to storage of and transportations. This is a cargo handling, which I just, for example, I'm the warehouse manager. The clients delivering the goods for storage purpose. Another tool is the transport of, I mean, the consignee of goods. They come and pick the goods to taking the goods to the airport or a shipment port, like shipment for the shipment purpose. They're going taking the goods to the port. They're going to be use the goods to delivering through sea level of transportations. So this is called the cargo handling. The effective cargo handling is crucial for preventing damage to goods and ensuring the safety and maximizing efficiency. Next slide. So, what are the components we should look out while making the transportations? The first one is the loading and unloading. Second one, storage and securing. Third one is warehousing and storage. Fourth one is handling equipment. Next one, cargo documentation. Next one, safety protocols. Next one, the technology integrations. Last one is logistics efficiency and importance. So already I told in the previous slides, loading and unloading, just taking the goods to the transportations, who are the clients, who are the mediator of goods shipment involved in the shipment process. That companies will be called as the mediator or agency or a logistic or transportation. So whatever it might be called, the name of call like the loading is I'm the consigner. I'm my goods are going to deliver to the country of UK or Australia and America. There is a purpose of the involved in the shipment process. That will be a person called as a logistic person or transportations. They meanwhile there will be possible to the completion the process of loading and unloading. The storage and securing is very important. The warehouse, the particular the place where we kept the goods for safety purpose. That's called as the storage and security. Warehousing and storage is in between. Like I'm in Coimbatore. I'm just goods or sent off through our track, like truck and any other roadway transport of vehicles. They're going to settle down in one place, the goods for 2 days or one week in particular place. That will be called as storage, warehousing and storage. Next one is handling equipment. So what are the materials? What are the equipments used to like flick fold like and then machine track or conveyor chains like so these are called the handling process movement of there will be purpose of using equipments to pick up and so for a loading unloading purpose. Cargo documentation. So documentation is very important while you're making the shipment. So whatever the way of transport, like a level of transport, sea or airline or roadway transports or in the sense. Safety protocols, which is very important with that way, safety protocols which is differ on goods wise and then packing wise also. So technology integrations, what are the technology tools we have used in the process of the transportations and the logistic efficiency, which is on the tracking level, which is very important. So these are the components of cargo handling. Next one is the air cargo handling process, how it will be made. The first one is cargo acceptance, then inspections, then next are documentations, verification, sorting, and ULD assembly. Next one is the loading and stowing on aircraft, cargo tracking and monitoring, customs and clearance, and security checks, delivery to final destination. These are the things of the combination we are exporting, we are doing in default inspection, which is very important. The documentation very once we have crossing the boundaries to boundaries, there will be a person to checking all the documents, the goods in our vehicle, and then sorting, you are assembling, the loading and storing aircraft, the tracking and monitoring, which is very important because we are flying on air. So there will be issues like there will be some kind of fault is being no comes like the monitoring, which is very important. Then only the goods and the people were safe conditions. Customers clearance is also kind of the boundary. Once you are crossing the boundaries and the national boundaries, the person, there is a department, there is associations are going to be checking all those things, bill wise, goods wise, truck wise, I mean the vehicle wise, use of the vehicle wise. So all those things are checking and check it out and feel free to move on the next door. Delivery to final destination is just making a call to confirm. Is that delivered to the right person? Yeah, which is the things very important. Custom declaration first format. This is a format like the customer's clearance for your reference. First header information declaration number, the date of declaration, export and exporter details, their name, address, contact details, and the taxpayer ID. Consignment details for consignee name, the address and name, recipient of goods, then port of entry exit, country of origin destinations where we will uh, taking the goods. Okay, where will I'm picking the goods? Well, that's a called consignment details. Goods descriptions. That is HSA code description of goods, quantity and unit of and measure of the weight. So value and currency, duties and tax, invoice value, currency, and freight and insurance cost will be included in the bill or invoice or way of document and the documents, duties and tax. Transportation details, transportation method, the carrier name and transport document number. Declaration statements like I declare that the information provided is accurate and complete. The key stakeholders in aerial handling, airline, freight forwarders, ground handlers, customers authorities, shippers and consignees, regulated bodies. So these are the persons who are involved in the air cargo handling process. So roles and responsibilities. First one, the airlines, they go making this safely and efficiently. They ensure the compliance and with aviation's regulations and safety standards. Second is the freight forward. They act as intermediaries between the shippers and airlines, as the transportations and logistic of cargo. The documentations or those customers clearance also the made by the this person. Ground handling company is going to physical handling of cargo at airports, load and unload cargo from airport. Customs authorities is going to inspect cargo for compliance with export import regulations. Security agencies implement security the protocols to protect air cargo, the current screening of cargo and personnel involved in the handling cargo. Shippers like provide accurate shipping, then documentation to private forward airlines, ensure proper labeling and packaging of goods, consigning the receipt and verify the cargo upon the delivery. So logistics software providers like the provide tools for inventory management, tracking and routing and scheduling. Tracking and monitoring services like the real-time tracking solutions for cargo shipments. Importance, prevention of accidents and hazards, quality control and product integrity, operational efficiency, compliance and liability, customer satisfaction, and trust. Thank you so much for listening this video. So see you all on next video.